what?
Instead,
Show it.
instead they would cutter,
Wow.
not a knife.
Wow. Okay, teach them. Why? How? Wait, I'll pause the video and then let's clean the potato first.
That's my potato.
Artos. Pwede na? At least ano siya, clean fries. This one, look at it. Because it comes from the real.
Potato.
Yeah. Need to cut it.
Like it?
And then pour some cheese. This is the healthiest fries. Kasi yun nga, nabalitaan natin na yung mga french fries daw na ready-made na sa grocery na malalaming pack, meron daw formalin. So, that's why maybe Americans, diba? Madala sa kanila, grabing bulky. They are so big because of their diet. They always eat french fries. Because if it's not organic, it's unhealthy. Because the french fries na nabibili sa mga grocery, possibly, it's what do you call that? It's processed, right? Hindi siya natural potato. This one, I choose this for my family because this is more organic and healthier. Kasi ang formalin, puta, pag pumasok yun sa body mo, lahat ng cancer meron ka, di ba? Later on, lahat ng sakit meron ka. So, why would you risk that? So, eat the best, di ba? This is the real potatoes. Just buy the real potatoes instead. And add some cheese. Roll it. And kagana si Artus dito. Nagbo-boil kami ng cheese na, what do you call that? The cheese bar. Para maging liquid cheese. Okay, pakita natin yung finished product. I wish, hindi pa ito ubos. Kasi inikot mo lang to sa diba? Crispy fry.
Bakit ito magkika pa rin?
Lang. May normal cheese potato na sila. Tapos pwede mo rin siyang lagyan ng liquid cheese on top and then bacon on top. Diba? It's so good. Plain pa nga lang na ganito yun. Parang na siyang KFC french fries, no? At least, you eat healthy. You're not eating to death. You're eating to live. It's good. Because this, guys, cannot live without patatas. Right, Jade? Patatas is life? Is patatas is life? How about with cheese? Is it good?
Potato ang laman.
Let's try it with cheese. Ayan, bumili lang kami ng cheese powder. Ay, puta ka! Ang pangit ang nalagyan ng cheese, no? Dapat yung yung parang ilipat, yung parang sa paminta. Yeah, it's good. It's so good. It's so good. You see? Ako ang 7 months na buntis na makapalam ko maghangin. Sexy buntis. Sexy bawas buntis daw. Artus, I thought you want patata.
Sexy nga lang. Makait no?
Yeah.
Bakit yan?
Mantika siguro.
Hindi ba eh. Dinagdagan nila ng mantika yan.
Hindi pot fry Madaming mantika kumukulo. Tsaka isa rin secret namin yung mantika namin laging coconut oil for healthy. Pag ibang mantika pala, siya? Hindi siya organic. Unlike coconut oil, mantika siya pero nakakatanggal siya ng mga barabara sa body. You want more, Jay, no? Yes, no, Artus?
Yes.
At least, hindi ka kabado sa french fries nila, diba? French fries is life. You want more, Jay?
Okay.
No. Are you good?
No.
Go get more. Nainitan. Nainitan ko siya. Siksi mo doon Sige na.